Hello, everybody. I am Professor Dr. Xania Sofra with two doctors in neurophysiology from London and clinical psychology from New York. And
Hi, I'm Nika Desio, and today I'm gonna ask some question to Dr. Xania. And the question that I want to ask is, how about the inflammation, how it generates pain, and what we can do about it?
yeah, what inflammation does, it basically blocks the resonance. And remember, in my book, Rhythm of Youth, I'm talking about the thread technology, which is the signaling resonance energy transfer and synchronizes the body, and how that unblocks the system. So you have that resonance process that is blocked. And when you unblock these pathways, then the pain will subside. That's what inflammation does. The best technology for that is the Iellios. We have had results for neuropathic pain within 10 treatments. Pain gone, did not reoccur. I did this study with actually Dr. Lampe did this study from Netherlands. She had primarily neuropathic. We also did it with wounds, neuropathic wounds. No reoccurrence. People were going to have amputated legs and arms, and we saved their limbs. I mean, this is very important technology and very important results. For pain, the Iellios is fantastic. You can use the virtual gym for the posture, to change the posture, but with the Iellios, you put it directly on the pain, and you have amazing results. So many times I had backaches or something, I put it on. The next day, I couldn't even remember that I had a pain the day before. I've gone. So it's extremely effective. It really is.
Also for chronic pain?
Especially for chronic pain. But neuropathic pain is chronic pain.
Yeah, right.
Chronic neuropathic pain. And it's extremely difficult to get rid of. And we had incredible results in that. In a study, our results were 0.001%. I mean, it was very high statistical significance, experimental study. And it's published. You can find it online. Neuropathic pain with myself, Dr. Xania Sofra, and Dr. Nuris Lambert.
How does the Iellios guide the body back?
The Iellios repairs basically the cell works with proteins. If the proteins of the cell are dead, if you artificially destroy the proteins, the cell appears like it's brain dead, it's comatose. So when you have all of these cells kind of interrupting the flow, because it's dead, plus you have the blocks within the flow, then the signaling process, the signaling pathways that we call it, are disturbed. And the Iellios reinstates these communications, not only repairs the proteins within the cells, because what a protein, it's a folded thing. If it's unfolded, it doesn't work. It's useless. So what the Iellios does, what resonance energy transfer does, and that's you can find on the internet anyway, RET, it refolds proteins. So the Iellios refolds the protein, makes them functional. So the cells become functional. And the Iellios has about 64,000 signals now that they interchange continuously to create like a book, basically, that the body can read and learn and kind of it's basically a repair. It's not only a skin repair, it's bone repair, it's neuronal repair. So it repairs the system from the detail, whereas this one is a systemic approach. Basically, this works through your brain. The brain is involved and starts the repair of the vital organs. Iellios works on the cell, this works on the system. So you need both. For the inflammation process. But the Iellios is going to be far more effective for neuropath, any neuropathic pain, Iellios is going to be more effective. It's going to be more effective for muscular pain. Different. Is a difference.
Is a really different.
Yeah.